This is Simply Mira, Filipina Oki, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. For today's vlog, I want to share to you this warm greetings and birthday wishes from my friends, sisters, YouTube friends, and my newfound friends from our K1 visa journey. And I also want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to those people behind this vlog and also to those people who take time and effort to send me their birthday wishes and greetings. And of course, thank you to my husband for a greatest surprise, to my family, and above all, to God for another year and for all the blessings He showered upon me. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and be updated on my upcoming vlogs. So without further ado, let's watch this.
Hi Mira, wishing you a happy birthday on your special day. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear friend, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Sisi Myra, Simply Filipina Vlogs. Wish you all the best Sisi, and God bless you always, and always take care. Many more years to come to you, and stay thankful and blessed. God bless you and happy birthday again. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Scarlett, say bye-bye? Say happy birthday, Myra.
Happy birthday, Myra.
That's all.
Hello, Sisi Mera. Today is your birthday. This is Lucy Sarona. Greet you a happy, more blessed birthday. Enjoy your natal DCC. Thank you. I'm so honored and grateful na nakasama ako sa mga nag-greet sa birthday mo. I wish na ang God magpatuloy magabigay sa iyo ng more blessings, and also to your family, and keep safe always. Sisi, sana magkita tayo in person kasi pareho tayong Bisaya, day. Kaya dito talaga, special talaga ito, nagawa ako ng video, nandito ako sa labas sa may lake. Kaya yan, kaya enjoy your birthday and God bless. Thank you so much.
Hi, happy birthday, Simply Mira. Sis, enjoy your day, stay safe, keep vlogging. I know you're blessed, and best wishes.
Hello guys! Ayan, ang daming my birthday ngayon. Happy birthday sa ating sisi na si Simply Mira. Simply Mira Filipina, okay. Ayan, happy birthday sis. More healthy birthdays to come. Ingat lagi dyan at stay happy always with your hubby, at congratulations na din and good luck sa iyong YouTube channel. Happy birthday sis!
Hello, Miguel Love, shout out to all. This is from Ruby Don's channel. Simply Mira, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Congratulations to your YouTube channel. And I hope sana lahat ng wish mo na gusto pang makamit, na sana matupad. More good health and more success on your YouTube. This is from Team Goals.
Ayun, mega love shout out everyone. Simply Mira. Make a love shout out sa iyo, Ma'am Simple. Noy Alan TV here. Maraming salamat. At nagkasama-sama tayo sa Team Goals International. Ayun, happy birthday po sa iyo. Mag-iingat ka po palagi at nawa ang pagpapala, ang biyaya ng Panginoon ay patuloy na bumuhos sa buhay mo at sa iyong buong sambahayan. Ingat palagi and God bless. Happy birthday!
Hello everyone, it's me Vanessa Vargas Vlogs at gusto kong batiin ng happy blessed birthday to you, Sisi Simple Mira Filipina Oki ng Team Goals. Ayan, thank you so much at nagkakakilala tayo dito sa Team Goals at ayan, more power sa iyong channel at congratulations dahil nakasama mo na ang iyong hobby dyan sa ibang bansa sa Amerika at ayan, wish you all the best. Always mag-iingat palagi at always pray to God at be thankful at narating mo na naman ang special day. Ayan. So, ayan, kakantahan na lang kita ng birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, Sisi Mira. God bless you and love you so much. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday sa aking ka-teammate, Simply Mira Vlogs. Ate Simply Mira, happy birthday sa iyo. More power sa iyong YouTube channel. This is DJ Agud from New Zealand. And God bless you, ate. Kita-kits tayo sa iyong YouTube. At wish you all the happiness, health, love, peace, joy, and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is Banis Belay. Sis, greeting you happy birthday. I know hindi pa tayo nag-meet or nagka-tsempo online. But anyways, it doesn't matter. Basta nandito lang ako to support each and everyone na kasama dun sa team natin.
Yung lupa mga idol, ito nga pala si EPS Bikers na buwabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan at happy birthday sa Mira Filipina. Mabuhay kang at gusto mo. Birthday, more birthday to come. Paalam! Ito nga pala si...
Hello! Kumusta po kayong lahat? This big love shout out. This is Tita Iman from Team Goals. I just want to greet happiest birthday, Simply Mira Filipina Okay. I wish you more birthdays to come, more candles of blow, and celebrate your birthday happily with your friends and loved ones. Keep safe always and